Hi guys! For today's recipe, magluluto po ako ng yakisoba. Ito po ang ating mga ingredients. Meron po tayong bean sprout, thinly sliced pork meat, sliced onion, cabbage, carrots, cooking oil, ground black pepper, and last, yakisoba noodles. Mabibili niyo po ito in any supermarket. And it comes with special sauce. So, no need to boil it because it was already steamed. All you have to do is just to separate and wash it with warm or cold water. By the way, all of our ingredients, I wash it already except for our cooking oil and ground black pepper. So let's start cooking. Just heat the pan into a medium flame. From this point, put a bit of oil, just a bit of oil. Fry our pork to make it a bit of crunchy. I'm using tongs here because it's easy for me to stir it. Then, stir fry our vegetables. Start with 50 grams of carrots. Vegetables is not just like food to eat, just to make our stomach full, but it's a big help to our health. Like this carrot, as we all know that it contains vitamin K1, biotin, potassium, vitamin B6, of course vitamin A, which is good for our vision. Then dash it with a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Next, stir fry the onion. You can use any kind of onion, but this one, I use the shallots. You can use like yellow onion or sweet onions. But you know, we have different kind of onions like yellow onions, red onions, white onions, sweet onions, scallions, shallots, pearl onions, and leeks. And onion helps to reduce the risk of cancer. Then let's add our cabbage. I just cut it like this, not too thin, not too fine, just like a bite size. And you know, there's a 7 varieties of cabbage according to this website. Like we have a cannonball cabbage, bok choy, choy sum or choy sam, napa cabbage, Savoy cabbage, January king cabbage, and red cabbage. What I'm using now is the cannonball cabbage, which is commonly known as green cabbage and the most popular cabbage. And it contains 9 impressive health benefits like an excellent source of vitamin K, could help lower cholesterol levels, may lower blood pressure, may help keep your heart healthy. It helps improve digestion. It may help keeps inflammation, and with lots of vitamin C and packed with nutrients. One good thing with the cabbage, you can eat this one as a raw, like a salad. Just put a bit of mayonnaise, ground black pepper, and a bit of salt. Then let's add our bean sprout. Bean sprout can help also to improve our heart health and might reduce anxiety and stress, may help build immunity, and may aid in weight loss, and also help our skin to, elasticity, to keep you look younger. There's a lot of health benefits that we can get to this bean sprout. Don't overcook the vegetables so that you can feel the crunchiness of it. Now let's add our steamed noodles. Like what I've told you earlier, that I bought these noodles in supermarkets, and in one pack there's 3 servings of it, and it comes with 3 special sauces. Then stir it lightly, and since it was already steamed, so you don't need to overcook it. Just stir it so that the vegetables will combine each other. Then our last ingredients is the special sauce of Yakisoba. Yakisoba is a Japanese stir-fried noodle dish, and Yaki, but literally it is yaku, meaning to roast, grill, bake, fry, and soba means noodles. And the sauce is a mix of soy sauce, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, and other seasoning. My God, it's hard to pronounce the other one. Worcestershire sauce. Can add with your own choice of vegetables, like can put cauliflower, broccoli, bell pepper. So it's according to your own preferences. So we're here. We're done cooking. Now it's ready to serve. Serve it while it's still hot.